In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into InVideo and switch workspaces. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your account and move between different workspaces so you're always creating in the right place. Start by opening your browser and heading to InVideo.io. On the homepage, look for the Login button. Click it and sign in using your usual method. Choose the account you use for InVideo and complete the sign-in process. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. If this is your first time, the layout is simple. You'll see your projects area and navigation menus, and in the top right corner, your profile icon. That profile icon is the key to switching workspaces. Click it to open a small menu. In that menu, you'll find a drop-down where you can select the workspace you want to use. Workspaces help you keep projects, media, and team access organized. For example, you might have one workspace for personal projects and another for a client or a specific team. Selecting a workspace switches your entire view to that environment, so any new projects you create will be saved there. If you're the account owner, you can have multiple workspaces under one account and move between them whenever you need. This is useful when you manage different clients or departments and want to keep everything separate and tidy. Just click the profile icon, choose the workspace from the dropdown, and the dashboard will refresh to show the correct set of projects and settings. If you only see one workspace, that usually means your account has a single workspace or you're a member of a single team. A quick tip to avoid confusion. Before you start a new project or upload media, glance at the workspace name displayed near the top or in the dropdown. Making sure you're in the right workspace saves time later and keeps your library clean. If you don't see the workspace dropdown right away, try expanding your browser window or scrolling within the menu. On smaller screens, the icon might be compact, but it functions the same way. Switching workspaces does not delete or merge anything. Your projects stay within the workspace where they were created. You can switch back and forth as often as needed without affecting your work. That's all there is to it. Log in at InVideo.io, click your profile icon in the top right, and select the workspace you want from the dropdown. With this simple flow, you'll stay organized and always be working in the right place.